Guys, our today's program is write a C program to tell this character is alphabet, digit, or special character by entering the ASCII key. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main ब्रैकेट int n कोई नंबर ले जो हम नंबर लेगी printf enter the number. Okay, and here scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. If number is greater than equal to 0 and number is less than equal to 47, okay, then printf special key, and else if number is greater than equal to 48 and number is less than equal to 57, then printf 0 to 9. Else if number is greater than equal to 58 and number is greater than equal to, sorry, less than equal to, sorry, less than equal to 64, then printf a to z. Else if number is greater than equal to, sorry, we have missed something. Z. No, no. Here is special key, here is 65 and then n is equal to 90. Here we write printf, here we write printf a to z, and here else if number is greater than equal to 91 and number number is less than equal to 96, then we write printf special key, and here else if number is greater than equal to 97 and then n is less than equal to 122, then we printf a to small z, and here else if number is greater than equal to 123 and number is less than equal to 27, then we print special key, and else we write invalid key, and here we write return 0. So let's run it. Firstly, you have to save it. So now let's run it. So we enter 95. So it's saying special key. So let's run it one more time. So now here we enter 49. So it is showing 0 to 9. So guys, thank you for watching the video.